Hey guys, we're back with another video and it's your girl Becca.
Question number 1. Why are we doing individual Q&As?
We are two different people, and so we are introducing the world to two different people, not just one person.
How old are you?
I'm currently 15.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Where are you from?
I am from Haiti.
What is your favorite color?
I'm repping it already, you know, for the color yellow.
When is your...
What are you doing? It's my birthday. My birthday is February 10th. February. How you do the arm thing?
$1,000 plus a jet on the back end.
What are you scared of?
Nah.
Come on, there's a list. Number 1.
Ducks.
Number 2.
Birds.
Number 3.
Birds.
What sports do you play?
I play flag, basketball, softball, and soccer.
What is the last text message you sent?
Oh, it was bring your 10 to 2. Yeah. Because, you know, people.
Who is your favorite basketball player?
Oh, LeBron James. LeBron James.
He sucks though.
Okay, first of all, let me give you some facts. LeBron James is the best player in the NBA.
2,000 years later.
Forget about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan couldn't even, he couldn't do anything in the NBA.
Next question.
LeBron.
Next question. Next question. Talk about the worst whooping you ever got.
Okay. When I was a kid, I did not like taking a shower, bro. I was.
When she was a kid?
Be quiet. I did not like taking a shower. I was a dirty little kid.
She still is.
Be quiet. No, I'm not. Be quiet. You behind the camera and you still talking? Dang. The kettle. I was in.
What's your leg?
So I was in the bathroom, right? And then no. I was in the living room, and my uncle was like, "Oh, you needed to go take a shower. Like, you haven't showered for 3 days, my nigga. Like, you need to go take a shower." And so, you know, I didn't want to take a shower, so I was in the bathroom and I let the water run, and I just sat on the curb of the bathtub thing, and it was just running. And I think my uncle had a clue. He was like, "Why is the water running and not stopping?" So he goes inside he takes his belt, the big one too, with the little zigzags. You know, when they hit you, your back gonna be like this. So he went into the bathroom, right? All you see is boom. He opened the door, and me, I'm getting up like this. I'm trying to get up real quick. All you hear is boom, boom, boom.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What you did?
Boom, boom. So I get in the shower and I'm still getting whooped.
We're honest right now.
Chloe and Halle. What was that? No, don't forget to like, comment, ring that notification bell, and subscribe. I'm telling you, how we get 78 views, but we only got like 23 subscribers.
8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 moins 16, 16. 16 divisé.
Nah, I know I'm not good at math, but something gotta be wrong. Thank you. It's Naomi gang.
And we're back again. It's Naomi gang. And we're back again. We out.
Bad little vibe, she been on my mind.